have this Yamaha U1 piano action, and I'm going to be replacing the hammer bats because they have broken chords. Here I have replacement of the hammer bats with new chord. So I'm gonna replace all of them, and I need to remove from each section all the hammers except the first and the last, so I can later recenter them. I'm gonna show you how I replace a single one, and for that purpose I'm going to remove the screw on the flange. So before that I have to make sure that we remove the bridle strap so the hammer can go out. So this is what it looks like, already broken. And if we compare it with the new one, you can see the difference. The new one has this white and a thicker cord that all newer pianos, Kawai and Yamaha pianos, come with. This is, by the way, very common on Yamaha and Kawai pianos. So to remove this, we need to loosen the screw of the plate. Just a little bit. If we remove the flange, and put the new one in. Tighten the new one. And then attach back the spring. And I'm going to cut the excess of the center pin. So this is how to replace a hammer bat flange. Now, some of you may be wondering why the center pin is not pre-cut. And the reason is that on some piano models there is no plate with a screw like this one, but rather we need to remove the center pin, realign the flange to the butt, and then insert the pin. And once we insert it, we can then cut it. And the reason we don't want to pre-cut if we're going to insert it is that it has a point. It's very sharp, so it can find the center through the hole. Otherwise, if it's pre-cut, what might happen is that some of this red felt that you see right here, some of the red felt might catch on and then can get out of the hole. And then if the red felt is outside of this hole, we can't really use this flange unless we replace the felt, and the job gets a lot harder this way. So this is why if we are about to insert the flanges to the butt, we need to use a new center pin like that. If we are going to use the flange on a butt with a plate and a screw, then in this case we can pre-cut all these. And this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to count 87 in this case because I already did one, and I'm going to go and quickly cut the excess of the center pin of all of them. This is going to help me do the work faster.